Hi, if you're a mom wanting to invest in real estate but don't know where to start, this is a great video for you. As a mother, we all have a unique opportunity to build wealth and secure our family financial future through real estate investing. I'm Havan Lee at Real Estate SuperMoms. In this video, we will discuss some of the basics you need to know to get started with investing in real estate in single families. I will share with you what worked for us, and hopefully you'll find what worked for you. Let's go. Before we dive in, let's talk about some of the benefits that single-family investing offer to us mom. Get us excited, right? So the first one would be the passive income, which means a steady stream of income that coming in every month to single-family investing. And that amount may seem small amount at first, but those small amount can pay for maybe extra activities, eating out, or shopping money. And it will continue to accumulate as you are doing this over and over. And then the second factor is the flexibility. You can set your own hours and you can work from home. And really, that's how our kids feel like I'm always there. And then lastly is the long-term appreciation. And single family tend to appreciate over time. That means the value of real estate going up and going up every year. That will provide you with the long-term capital gain and potentially providing financial security for your family future. Finding the right property to invest in is going to be very critical, especially as a mom. If you decided to buy a property and renting it out for long-term investment, having in the right location is going to be very important. You want to look for properties in a safer location, family-friendly area, and maybe easy access to parks or other amenities that a family will enjoy. And then also you want to make sure that the rent rate in that area is going to support what you have to pay in carrying costs every month. You want to learn more? Check out my other video on how to find your first rental property. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. One of the most effective ways in finding your first single family deal is to networking. Attending your real estate events, join your local real estate club, and get to know other investors. When you go to those events, identify who are the wholesalers and introduce yourself. Ask them to send you deals when they come across something that they think will be a fit for you. Remember, always check back with them. Keep a constant communication, maybe a weekly or a monthly basis, so that way they always remember and have you on their mind. So when they come across something, they'll be like, all right, I'm gonna send to this mom. Real estate agent can be a valuable source in helping you finding your first single family deal. They have access to multiple service listing, which is the MLS. They can help you identify the property in the location that you're looking for, the price point that you're looking for, and then they can also provide you recently sold property and the potential of the investment once you pretty it up to sell it. There are several online resources that you can go to find your first single family deal. You can go to online marketplace like auction.com, Hubzu, foreclosure.com, Facebook groups, or Craigslist. Driving for dollar is the strategy where you get in your car and drive around the neighborhood to search for distressed property. In fact, this is what me and my husband did when we started in real estate investing. We drove around and we looked for property that has taller grass, or maybe the mailbox is full. You know, it looks more distressed than the rest of the property in that area. If you're going to implement this strategy, I highly recommend you start it where in the neighborhood that where you live or nearby where you live, so that way it makes it a lot easier for you, because it is a very time-consuming process, but it led to great investment. For example, one of the day when my husband and I were driving around, we stopped at a property, and then soon enough the owner came out, and so we just said hello and just have a conversation. That led to an appointment, and ching ching. You know what I'm talking about? Well, you can use the app called Deal Machine now, and I think that app's going to help you out a lot and streamline the process. If you have more money than time, you can start with direct mail strategy right away. This is when you send out a bulk of mails directly to the homeowners and expressing an interest in purchasing their properties and then wait for the phone to ring. So you don't have to do any of the strategy I mentioned above because direct mail is a whole lot less time consuming. And now that you have someone raise their hand and ready to sell to you, how do you know what to offer? Well, I would highly recommend that you either partner up with a seasoned investor in your local market and that you like and trust, or you can reach out to a knowledgeable real estate agent, or maybe plug into a coaching program where you can gain knowledge on evaluating the deal the way it is and how much would it cost to or remodel the properties and what is the potential sale price when you're ready to sell it. If you see value out of this video so far, please hit that like and subscribe. Financing your investment property can be a challenge. However, there are a few options to consider. Traditional mortgage, that means you can obtain a mortgage at a bank, and typically what they will ask for is 2 years of tax returns. They're gonna need you to show that you have good credit score and be prepared to have at least 20 to 25% on the down payment. However, if they approve, this may be one of the most cost-effective way because you may be qualified for a lower interest compared to other methods. Private lender is also another great option. Most of the time, their criteria is a whole lot more relaxed than traditional mortgage. However, you will have to prepare to pay a higher interest rate. Hard money lender, or also referred as asset-based lender, can be a great source of funding your single-family investing. This type of financing has a lot less qualification requirement on you, but more heavily on the property or the assets itself. You will be paying a much higher fees and interest for that convenience. Or you can partner with the seasoned investor that you like and trust, and that person will be able to come up with the financing for the investment itself. Moms, you probably have a lot going on already, but with some effort, you can do it. Investing in single-family homes can be a very rewarding experience for moms. By understanding the benefits, finding the right properties, and secure the right financing, you can successfully invest in real estate and build wealth, secure your family financial future. You don't have to know all of it now. The most important thing is start today, and you won't be perfect. I wasn't that knowledgeable when I started either. I hope to see you at the closing. If you find value out of this video so far, hit that like, subscribe, and share with other moms to help them become real estate supermoms.